suspect, cause most dope syndicate is what I rap. And y'all know I'm banging from the east to the west. You can test I'm the best, from your head to your chest. I can smoke with your dope on a 40th flow. There's a dope in my back like Johnny Depp blow. So let it flow and listen to the lyrics I produce. Sit back, relax, we'll mix and gin and juice. And I'm not afraid to sip that ice, cause you know man, I just roll my dice. You can see it to my eyes, everyday blood sets high. Till I die, motherfuckers tryna get high. But me, I'm fly, so who the fuck are you to lie? That most dope syndicate is gonna die, bitches. Angeles City Cartel, parang Medellin Cartel. Angeles City Cartel, parang Medellin Cartel. Angeles City Cartel, parang Medellin Cartel. Angeles City Cartel, parang Medellin Cartel.
Yeah, you're about to fucking witness why I claim that in this game we the fucking illest. Yeah, we the fucking meanest, sickest, realest. And when this shit drops, you gon' know what the deal is. Whoever gets in the way will be shred into bits and pieces. Deliver them to Jesus shit. I'm a fucking genius, man. Since I was just a fetus, middle finger up, while the other one is gripping my fucking penis. Highest high, yeah, yeah, 24,000 feet up in the air, yeah, yeah, I am rare, yeah, yeah, reppin' most dope every fucking day, yeah, yeah, we the best, yeah, yeah, in every single way, yeah, yeah, I'm a god in human form, destined to be on top since the day that I was born. Give me my crown and prepare me my throne, bow down and give respect. I strictly aim above the neck, highest high, higher than the sky, rockin' most dope till the day I die.
Angeles City Cartel, parang Medellin Cartel. Angeles City Cartel, parang Medellin Cartel. Angeles City Cartel, parang Medellin Cartel. Angeles City Cartel, parang Medellin Cartel.
Sa pagpasok ko sa industriya, lahat kayo'y mamamangha. Sa akin pinip lang tataga, lapit ka, brati pa. Pero ba't ganon? Dami naging tensyon, lampake naglalaro kasama ang batalyon. Pasensya na, medyo natagalan, pero babalik pa rin man. Kasi medyo nawawala ang isipan, napapanin sa sulok. Pero tuloy pa rin, hindi ako papakain sa mga shit na nadagpa sa aking isipan. Minsan nawawala ako, pero sige pa rin ako sa pagtira at bayo. Sige sumubay ka, dadapaan mo parang wala, pero tutuloy ko pa rin tong kataga. Most dope syndicate cannot replicate. ACC Kings yan talaga ang aming masarap na cake. Ang ina bitches, pas na yan. Ang dami nang naggago, dami pang nagturo. Kapag sa ganun nang nangyari, sisihin si pare. Si gringo na lang ba palagi ang misala pare?
Angeles City Cartel,
parang Medellin Cartel. Sabi nga ni Highest High, sabi din ni Mad Playa, naglalaro pero sige pa rin hanggat makuha at napunta kami sa dulo men.
Angeles City Cartel, parang Medellin Cartel. 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 Angeles City Cartel,
Parang Medellin Cartel.
bitches.